Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp call link, and it's pretty simple. So in first step, open your WhatsApp and here you'll find out some of the options. Go to this call sections and in here you may find out create call link option, and if you don't find this option you can tap on this plus call icon and here you'll find out the create call link option. As you can see, new call link, tap on this option and here you will find the call type. If you want to give a video call, you can choose the option or you can choose the voice option. And now here you will find out all the options: send link via WhatsApp, copy link or share link. If you want to share this link in WhatsApp, you can choose the first option, or you can copy the link and share it with anyone, or you can share the link directly. And from here you can simply select the person and give them the call link, and that's it. So that's the way how you can create your WhatsApp call link. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.